Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to check whether X app, formerly Twitter, is experiencing downtime or issues. It's essential to stay informed about the status of social media platforms to ensure a smooth online experience. So let's look how to do this. Open any web browser and in address bar type api.twitterstat.us and press enter. Here, you can observe various APIs, such as the Ads API, Streaming Tweets Endpoints, Enterprise Console, Enterprise Usage API, and more. In my case, all of these are operational, and they have been confirmed with a green tick. If there is another issue, you will receive a red or orange signal. You can also view past incidents just below the current status. It will display the daily status, as shown here. You can also subscribe to receive notifications about the status of Twitter. You can also visit the Down Detector website to check the status of the X app. The link will be provided in the description. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.